Hey guys, this is Emily Lopez, and today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome wooden dowel leather curtain rod with only a wooden dowel from your big box store, either a leather cabinet handle or leather of your choice, or you can even use like ribbon or something. It depends the style you're going through, and screw caps. And we're going to make that for just a couple bucks. Let's do it. First, you're gonna take a measurement. For instance, on this window, I'm using just a 4-foot dowel rod, and so I'm not gonna have a lot of an overhang. And you have to keep in mind that when you hang your little straps, they're gonna go on the inside, so you don't wanna go full 4 feet and outside of that because you'll have no overhang, so you want that little bit of a space. So I took a couple inches off each side, so I'm gonna go ahead and measure and make a mark where I'm gonna pre-drill my hole for my screw. I am using these leather poles from IKEA. I had bought them a long time ago for a project. I didn't use them, so I'm just using these up. They come in this package, and there's a different size too. But the shorter ones that are meant to just be a loop, they work for the size of dowel that I'm doing. But I've also seen people online that just get straps of leather from like a craft store or like a leather supplier or whatever you want to do. But I'm just using these because I have them left over. So literally all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and fold it together. And even if you didn't have the pre-drilled hole, you could just take your drill bit and drill a little hole through there. I have my wall prepared because I've pre-drilled that. And I'm going to take my screw. I'm going to put it through my screw cap. And then I'm going to put it through and hold it up to the wall and screw it in. Now I can screw these into the wall and then put my dowel up. Depending on the size and the length of your dowel and your rod, you might want an extra set of hands to help you hold it and balance it. But so literally it's just gonna be, that's kind of how it goes together with that screw cap. And then you're gonna close that screw cap once it's on, and it's gonna just kind of look stylish and cool. Again, if you do a nail, I would still do the screw cap. They have these in white, they have these in black, they have different ones that you can get, but I just got these at my big box store. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get up on the ladder and drill one of these in, and then I'll do the other one. And I've already prepared my dowel with my curtain on it where I can just slide it right through. So I'm gonna start over here. Just in case you wanna see it one more time, I'm just gonna take my screw, I'm gonna put it through my screw cap, and then I'm gonna push it through my piece of leather, and then it's all ready. And then obviously just that portion of the screw is gonna go into the wall, and I'm gonna go ahead and go up and put my other piece in. So cover your screw cap, or click it in, make your leather nice and round so you can slide in your dowel. And I have my dowel ready. I have some painter's tape on the end because my curtains are kind of netty and it was getting caught on the dowel because I didn't sand it first. If you want these to look really pretty, you should sand them first, or you can even sand them and stain them. But I like the natural wood look. I'm just trying to do something really quick to make this look stylish and nice cosmetically. Obviously we already had the blinds up, but this is just to kind of be stylish for the Airbnb that I'm trying to get ready. So, okay, now I'm just gonna hop up and slide this in both ways. And see what I meant about the overhang? So if you had gone out both sides, you wouldn't have had enough room. Nice, huh? Kind of cool, kind of minimal. Obviously, if you wanted more of a design look, you could put like a thick curtain that had some style or whatever to it. But I'm just trying to add some layers of dimension to this room. So, yeah. If you're watching this video, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel right here below. Like this video, leave me a comment, share this video with your friends. But most importantly, please subscribe because it's super helpful to me, and I hope this was helpful to you.